making a most delicious smoked mackerel pâté today. It's going to be garnished. We've got tomatoes at the ready. Red is always a good balance against beige foods. But how do we make it? Let's find out. These are smoked mackerel fillets. They come with skin on. Are you reconstructing
like
it?
that. Just like that.
So just tell us what you did, Rog.
Only with left-hand sides.
Why?
Because they'll put all the others in the mixer.
Oh, I see. You not only took the skin off.
I cut the middle bone out, which is like...
Right, let's have a look at the bone. That goes down the centre and it's full of the bones. Obviously you don't want that.
It's easier just to cut it and
rather than pull
the
out
wastage. Yes.
Gotcha. Okay, so a little bit of waste, but you get rid of most, if not all, of the bones that way.
But don't buy them like that because they're much more expensive.
So buy them with the skin on and do that bit.
Yeah.
And we are going to whiz them up in the blender machine. Hurrah. And these go in as well. Horseradish sauce. Oh, that's brilliant with mackerel. Mace, lemon, salt and pepper, and thick cream cheese. I can't tell you, this is absolutely lovely. Eat it with crackers and toast, or just on its own, really. So the fish is whizzed up, this smoked mackerel, and now comes the rest of the ingredients. These machines are a godsend. I wouldn't want to have to do everything by hand, like presumably my grandmother did. Horseradish, mace, which is the outer husk of a nutmeg, but it doesn't taste nutmeggy. Lots of pepper. So this is not the same as unsmoked mackerel. You wouldn't make it with that. Smoked means that it's had a curing process. It's cooked and ready to go. More cream cheese, Rob just decided based on how it looked.
Okay.
You good? I do feel that quality control is required here, Roger. My quality control.
Including the pips.
Maybe not the pips, I can see one. Garnishing in progress. And best news of all, there's some left over. Yes. Here it was served with warm breads and tomato salad.